Sorry, I guess we're going to do this one in two parts because I just accidentally hit it to stop. Let me take that off of there so I don't accidentally do that again as I'm balancing this computer on here. So again, see the Earth is rotating all around, all the way around, and you can see the lights on there from the night Earth. And oh, here comes the United States of America right now. It has a lot of lights that you can see from space lit up on this globe. So it has a lot of different types of globes that you can choose from on there. And again, it's called e-chalk, kind of like what we used to write with on chalkboards, e-chalk. And that has some globes that you can experience and play around with. And just remember, the globe shows the whole Earth. All right, parents, I also have a couple more YouTube sites that I'm going to give you that you can study at home. And if you want to pause this right now, before I go into my last section here and watch these, that would be awesome. The first one is Know Your Globe. So like we know something up here, it's a YouTube video. It's about 4 minutes long, and it's called Know Your Globe. And that's going to give you more information from awesome science for kids area about the globe. So if you want to go look that one up. And the second one is the geography song, globe versus map song. So it's just a couple minutes long. It's a song. Again, it's called the geography song, globe versus map song. So if you want to go look up those two, you can push pause on our video, go look those up, enjoy those, and then come back and finish up the lesson. So the last part of our lesson that we're going to do is I have some cards made up here. And you notice I have a Venn diagram. And if you've been in my class, we've used a Venn diagram for quite a few things. So we have our maps circle and our globes circle. And then we have our section here in the middle that overlaps for both of them. And I have some cards that I'm going to hold up and I'm going to read to you. And I want you to help me decide, is this something that's for a map? Is this something that's for a globe, or is this something for both? And we'll go ahead and put those into the right section. Got my tape here so we can hang those right on up there. So let's start with the first one. The first one says sphere 3D. So which one is a sphere shape that is 3D? Is that a map or is it a globe? You're right. It is the globe. Great job. So we're going to stick that one, sphere, right over there in the globe section. There's that one. Here's the next one. It says flat 2D. What is a flat 2D shape? Is that a map, a globe, or both? If you said a map, you are correct. The 2D flat shape is the map. Excellent job. Good job. The next one says can spin. Which one can spin around to show you the whole thing? Yes, that's the globe. And again, that represents our world because our world is spinning. I know in our class when we talked about day and night, we brought the globe in and we saw how we spin so that we are facing the sun sometimes. And then we spin and rotate to face the moon that is shining the sun's reflection on us, and we studied that. So we know the one that can spin is the globe because it's a representation of our Earth that's spinning. The next one says, can be made of paper. Which one can be made of paper? Oh yeah, our paper map over here can be made of paper. I said can be because we can now get maps on our phones as well. And we can look at all kinds of maps on computers too, but can be made of paper, goes right there on the maps side. All right, the next one says, can show a very specific area. So it's very specific on what it shows. Is that the map or the globe? That is our map. We talked about how this map specifically shows the United States of America. A map can show specifically our town of Northport, or it can show another town that's very far away from us. So can show a specific area is a map. All right. The next card says, shows the whole Earth. Which one of these shows the whole Earth? Yes, you're right. That is a globe. A globe shows the whole Earth. We've got it. Good job. Now we're going to do both. Oops, I gave you the answer before I read it. Now we're going to do the last card. Has land and water on it. Yeah, that's pretty easy, especially since I just said it. That is both of them. Both of them show land and water both in there. So there's our comparison between maps and globes, and that's our first lesson. So go ahead and have some fun exploring, getting to know some maps and some globes virtually online. Parents from my room, I will go ahead and send those links, or at least the information again on Dojo, that if you watch the map lesson, that these are the sites that I refer you to on both YouTube and the virtual globe sites. And I will see you again tomorrow for your next map lesson. Thanks. Bye-bye.